Dodol is a classic Goan sweet, often compared to bibinka, the queen of Goan desserts. It's dark brown, made from rice flour, coconut milk, and black palm jaggery, and has a firm, jelly-like texture. The mixture is cooked slowly, stirred continuously, and then cooled and sliced. Dodol holds a special place in Goan culture. Traditionally prepared by Christian households during Christmas, it has become a staple in Goa's multicultural culinary history. Franjo Fernandez, president of the All Goa Bakers and Confectioners Association, said, "Dodol is unique in Goa because of the ingredients and method of preparation." The origins of Dodol are debated. Some scholars trace it back to royal banquets in Indonesia's Medang Kingdom between the 8th and 11th centuries. In Goa, it's believed to have been introduced during Portuguese rule in the 17th century. The sweet is also linked to cultural practices, like gifting dodol and bananas after childbirth. A geographical indication, or GI tag, would protect dodol's authenticity and cultural identity. Deepak Parab, nodal officer at the State Council for Science and Technology, said, "We hope a GI tag for dodol will standardize traditional methods and practices, ensuring its authenticity and possibly facilitating exports in the long run."